Pick a leaf, any leaf. So as it so happens, in the garden, we do have some garlic seascapes. So happy to know what they're called, how to use them now. So we're gonna try that. And then we have a little bit of these greens. So we're gonna see what we can do with them. Take the time to take out the vein, as Sarah mentioned, to make it crunchy, but not overly so. So I also came across this veggie beauty at the farmer's market, and I think it's called something like kohlrabi, and I think I'll make like a bit of a coleslaw with it. Would be super. It's peppery and, dare I say, quite spicy. I like that. I thought I would add a fresh cucumber, first one from the garden, a little bit of green apple, and some scallions, also garden. A thing of beauty. So a little oil on the seascapes to put them on the grill. So I'm just going to mix that all together so they're all covered in olio d'oliva. They're alive. Ooh, look at that beautiful, beautiful green color. Oh boy, really, really enhanced by the grilling. Seasoning the chicken will be simple. Olive oil, white wine, drunken chicken, salt, pepper, dried oregano. Boom, 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 boom. Duh. Mix to cover. Okay, garlic scapes have cooled down. So now I'm going to cut them, put them in my salad. I'll just kind of focus on the softer pieces here. Ooh, this little head is going to be so good. Come on over. Kind of like that. And you can see it's grilled. So that's kind of what you want. And then you will just throw that in the salad. The toss and throw, that's what I'm going to call it. Toss and throw. I have gotten some basil leaves. I've dried them out a little bit, removed. And you know, with leaves, it's best just to kind of, my fingers are full of oil, so I am going to cut them. You know, they darken when you do this, but we're just about to eat. And so, and again, just to chop, toss and throw. Okay, then I'm just going to film the vinaigrette. Chicken's looking good on the grill. Healthy, honey. Thank you. We happen to have a little bit of cheese and olives, so thought that would kind of finish the meal. Summers are made of this. Maybe the best part of the meal is a cupcake made by Mila, Pat's niece, in red velvet, and look, sprinkles, beautiful sugar icing. I'll give you a piece of mine if you give me a piece of yours. That's more like it.